So this is exercise 4-9 in the textbook, and it shows you how to add selected elements to a drawing. This isn't really a drawing tool per se, but quite frankly, I didn't know where else to put it in the book because you are adding stuff. I want you to note that the current layer is 0. Layers are used to organize your drawing. So you'll notice the windows in my drawing are blue, the door is red, the outline of the house is magenta. So the title block, if you will, or the border is 0. So you basically are organizing your using layers to organize what how your drawing looks. I want to make sure that midpoint is enabled in my OSnap, and I'm going to select the vertical line here. So I'm selecting this vertical blue line, and I'm going to right click and say add selected. So that puts me in a mode where I can say I'm going to select that line, and this is where I want to place it. Okay, and notice that even though my active layer was 0, it placed it on the same layer as the other window. And I'm going to repeat that for the horizontal line. I'm just going to right click, go add selected, and then select the midpoint here and the midpoint there. And now the window pane's been created. And I'm double checking that my node is enabled because that's a point, there is a node. And to copy the doorknob over, I'm just going to select that circle. I'm going to right click, I'm going to say add selected, and it asks me where do I want to place that circle, and I'm going to say that node. And for the radius, I'm just going to say I want 0.125, and it placed the doorknob. So add selected is a pretty cool way to very quickly copy something and place it on the same layer as the layer it was created on.